wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best otoscopes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Made from durable chrome-plated brass, the RA Bock Diagnostics comes with 3 reusable specula. The optical quality glass lens is equipped with a scratch-resistant coating, while its hinged design allows it to swing to the side for easy cleaning. It uses a lure lock head mounting system and supports use of an insufflation bulb. This one's good for small dogs and primates. At number 9, the Heine Mini 3000 shines bright xenon halogen light into both the auditory canal and eardrum. An integrated insufflation port supports the use of variable air pressure to test a patient's degree of tympanic mobility when needed. It comes with a swiveling viewing window and 10 disposable tips in a shockproof design. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Setting the AlphaMed otoscopy set apart from the competition is the integrated dimmer, which allows for precise control over the intensity of light coming from its incandescent halogen lamp. A handy storage case and replacement bulb are included. It offers a 4 times magnification power and includes reusable specula. However, it is quite heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for otoscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, weighing less than a pound, the ADC proscope delivers a compact and lightweight design with an attractive satin-finished handle. Its knurled texture makes it easy to grip, though the 2 required C-cell batteries need to be purchased separately. It's equipped with a bayonet locking head and a rheostatic power switch, but it doesn't get very bright. Moving up our list to number 6. Perfect for physicians who perform daily examinations, the MacroView otoscope in the Welch Allyn Premium Kit has a sturdy head with a wide focal range and a lithium-ion battery inside its handle that lasts for up to 2 hours of use on a single charge. It includes a built-in LED throat illuminator and also comes with an ophthalmoscope. However, it is very expensive. Halfway up our list at number 5. Be prepared for any auditory abnormality using the serenelife 2-in-1. Designed for home use, the scratch-resistant glass lens provides a powerful 3 times magnification level, while the 3 interchangeable ear tips are reusable. A scrolling wheel adjusts the aperture and it can be used in the mouth and nose, but the batteries are a pain to install. At number 4, the ultra-thin scopearound digital has a diameter of just under 4 mm, allowing it to reach deep inside any human or dog's ear canal for diagnosing infections and even removing wax buildup. It's backed by a 12-month replacement guarantee. It's relatively easy to clean and features a high-definition camera. However, setup isn't very intuitive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the high-quality optical lens on the Dr. Mom Pocket is optimized for use with very long specula, making it an ideal solution for professional veterinarians probing the inside of a canine's ear. Its full-spectrum LED emits enough light to quickly diagnose potential infections. It's a durable construction backed by a lifetime warranty. The batteries last a long time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for otoscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, using efficient 360-degree fiber optic technology, the essentrapy Spec V3 provides pediatricians a field of view that's up to 30% greater than many of its pneumatic counterparts, ensuring accurate diagnoses without the need for additional patient follow-ups. It comes with 20 specula, a sturdy brass body, and an ergonomic handle. And taking the top spot on our list, offering a wireless operation, intuitive user software, and the ability to capture detailed images and videos at high resolutions, the Firefly D551 provides the flexibility and precision needed to perform comprehensive examinations of a furry friend's inner and outer ears. It's equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery, 4 LEDs with adjustable brightness, and a USB cable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for otoscopes, or simply click beneath this video.